Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to unzoom the iPhone. This will also work on the iPad. So, if your home screen is zoomed in and you can't access anything or it's hard to move about, tap 3 fingers on the screen. This will unzoom and zoom out the iPhone or iPad. And what you'll have turned on is the zoom function. So, to turn it off, you want to go to Settings. Then you want to come down to Accessibility, and you want to tap into that. Now within Accessibility, you want to find Zoom here at the top. As you can see, mine's currently off. But if it's turned on, as you can see, it zooms straight in. Three finger tap will zoom it out. And what you want to do is turn this zoom off. And now you will not be able to zoom in on the iPhone, but that's how to turn it off. Hope you found that video helpful, and you are now being able to unzoom the iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and see you in the next one.